Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily turn off the feature of two-step verification on your Telegram account. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly download Telegram application from Google Play Store and log in with your number. After that, open Telegram. Click on the three dots at the top left corner and go to Settings. In Setting, go to Privacy and Security, and at the top, click on Two-Step Verification. After that, provide your password to confirm your identity. Then after, click on Enter, and here in this screen, simply click on Disable Password. Then after, click on Disable to continue, and then as you can see, beside two-step verification, now there is the feature of off. So that's it. That is how easily you can turn off the feature of two-step verification on your Telegram account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.